Hello everyone, today I'm just going to show you how to install some mods for your Minecraft. A friend just recently got Minecraft, so that's why I'm making this video. So, to get most of the mods working, you first of all need ModLoader, which is right here. So, what you want to do is download it. You should find it down here somewhere. It's right there, Minecraft 1.1. So, I'm just going to download that. Okay, and it should download here. And I refreshed most stuff and even Minecraft, so it does not get too confusing. Alright, now the download's complete, to install it, you want to go to your start bar, type in %app data. Bear in mind it's a % sign, it's a sign you use. Hold shift or something, then 5. So %app data. Then you go on your roamings file, and you should find .minecraft if you already installed it. Then you want to go into bin. Alright, now you'll need WinRAR or 7-zip to do this. So I'm just going to use 7-zip. So open archive, and you should get all this. Well, mine's in the corner. Alright, so first of all you get all this thing. This is basically your Minecraft. Alright, so to install the mod, all you have to do, see this folder downloaded, ModLoader. Right, and this should be pretty straightforward. Let's get rid of this. Alright, so what I want to do is to drag all these files over here from ModLoader, which I just downloaded, into my Minecraft folder. But first of all, the main thing is, if you do not delete the MaiaInif folder, or whatever you would call it, then your Minecraft will go black. So let's delete that. Right, now drag all these files into your Minecraft. Do not drag these into these folders, because that will not work. Just drag it in just drag it in Minecraft. And yes. Alright, so now I've installed ModLoader. Or what am I saying? So, here's a mod called TooManyItems. It's quite nice. You can spawn stuff. But for some reason it does not work in multiplayer. And installing. Well, here's something, should be an installing thing up here somewhere. Yeah, I think I went past it. Alright, so you can download for Minecraft 1.1, which is a current version. This weekly build is the newer one, which we'll not be going into right now. So let's download this. And as you see, I went into download link. Okay, waiting again. So to install mods, you basically do the same. You download the file and you drag into your Minecraft folder. But bear in mind, do not install outdated mods. That will really ruin your Minecraft, because it probably won't run. And a mistake like possibly most people do is they forget to delete that MaiaInif folder. So right now, as you see, this folder is different, but I take it you just drag it in as well, which does work. Well, it should work, because I had that mod. Alright, so there's TooManyItems installed. So the last one is SinglePlayerCommands. Okay, this is a very long list, but the download links should be down the middle somewhere, near the middle, right here. As you see, to make it more simple, there's an automatic installer. So, yeah, as you see in these bracket things, there's 1.1.0, which is the current version. So I'm just going to download both of them. Let's open a new tab in case. Yeah, it's at one of these links. So I'm just going to download both of them. After both of them load, that is. So you just will skip the advert. or you can do it if you want. So save it. So this should be the automatic installer, I think. I don't know. Alright. Really? That's not really the time, but yeah. So this is single player commands, Minecraft. As you see, it's downloading, and this one is what is going on. I think I now have one of these tabs open at a time, so I think that's a problem. Alright. So this should be the jar file for automatic installer, I would guess. Let's see the other one. This should be the classic download. Right now, as you see, it's a WinRAR file, or zip file even. So the zip file, I have no idea how to install that because I never installed a zip file before. So the automatic installer is the recommended one. And just to say, I have not installed SinglePlayerCommands for 1.1 yet, so it's the first time. Well, for 1.1. So as you see, this is a file. As you see, there's so many stuff. If that's too confusing, download the automatic installer, which is very recommended. So it's a Java file, you just double click it and it should run. And I really don't want to show my desktop, so yeah, I'm just trying to run it here, which does not seem to work, or it's just lagging a lot. Okay, as you see, this is kind of new, but okay. So you can back it up, Minecraft.jar, install version 3.1. I'm just going to not back it up because I already have a backup that I'm going to use after this video. So here's the browser, you can select where it will go in .minecraft. So just install version 3.1. Well, really, that person that wanted to know how to do it, inviting me to a live party, really not useful right now. The second I do is just say it's installed. Install efficiency advanced for more information, damn you. Well, anyway, if you're gonna play multiplayer, there's no point installing this because it won't work, for goodness sake. Well, most of this won't work, so I'll just use this. Or maybe cut it out, but whatever. So, start jar and all this. I just take it you put most of these in. For more sake, let's just read this. So you have so many stuff to do. You can do. So what you do, I would just basically think you can just open that up. So as you see, manual installation is right here. So go to .minecraft bin and backup Minecraft.jar. Well, we don't really have to do that, but using 7-step open Minecraft.jar. Delete minif folder, which we already did. Now copy all the classes contained within the mod to Minecraft.jar. Replace existing files. Right? So you should just grab all these files and move it in. Well, obviously not this very top one. Sorry about this, really. Right. Notice I also copy a text document which is not needed of kids. Oh, what the hell? Sorry about that, but my Xbox controller disconnected. Alright, so this should be installed, so let's close these. Now let's run Minecraft. So let's show you some of the mods. And let's make sure I'm not recording too long. So how long am I recording for? 9 minutes? Okay, that's a long time. So first of all, it's just going to change some video settings. So I'm going to turn all these off because I'm using a laptop, not that good. So let's turn the brightness up, and the render just to normal, and the scale to normal. There we go. Okay. So let's create a world. I'll just use creative. Alright, I should see single player commands are loaded. So, first of all, I'll show you too many items. As you see, this is already up right here, too many items. So let's get rid of this inventory. You can, if you're on creative, you can click an item and drag into here and they disappear. If you have too many items, for a single player, you can just do this and click on the item. But this bar at the top and the top left will not be available in multiplayer. And this can set you creative and survival. So, if I click on the item, you'll get the item. To put armor on, you must be in creative. No, sorry about that, you must be in survival, what am I saying? You must be in survival. So, let's see single player commands. So there are a lot of commands you can do. You can open it up with the T button, the default chat button for multiplayer, and you can type stuff in. So, let's see. If I type spawn, and then let's just say spawn zombie, and I'll spawn 20 zombies. And there we go. They're burning. And that is just the slime sounds. As you see, there's so many slimes about the place. So I'm just going to change to peaceful. And this bit also only works for single player, the peaceful bit. So, other commands you can do, there's a lot of commands like pause 1. You cannot do that. Sorry about that. So, / position 1. That will be world edit, which is also available in multiplayer if you are using a bucket server. So I said 2 positions, so it works as a right triangle. So as you see, I selected this place and this corner over here, and I did / set 1. Now let's see what number 1 is. Number 1 is stone. The ID for stone is 1. If you do not have too many items, just like this, the ID will not show up. To turn too many items on and off, to make it show or not, is with the O key, or the letter O on your keyboard. So there's another way of doing it using world edit. You can do / wand, and you'll be given a wand, which is default a wooden pickaxe. Well, no, sorry about that, a wooden axe. A pickaxe is this thing. This is a pickaxe. So you can left click for position 1 if it works, that is. Well, and you can right click to set position 2. As you see, I said, but it works as I said. It works in right triangle box shape thing. So that's basically all, and I'm not very good at this, so yeah. And there's an NPC village, which if you do super flat, you usually spawn near a village. Am I right or wrong? I don't know. But here's a nice village. Yeah. So that's pretty much all. And I don't know what's with a pressure plate sound. Yeah. So that is basically how you install mods, and you don't even have to watch it till that's long. So yeah, guess I'll just see you all later.